Allama Iqbal was a renowned philosopher, poet, and politician who played a significant role in the creation of Pakistan. He was born in Sialkot, Punjab, India on November 9, 1877. His full name was Muhammad Iqbal, but he is widely known as Allama Iqbal. His father, Sheikh Noor Muhammad, was a respected tailor and mystic who instilled in his son a love for Islamic teachings and philosophy. Allama Iqbal received his early education in Sialkot and later moved to Lahore for higher education. He earned his bachelor's degree from Government College, Lahore, and then went to England to study law at the University of Cambridge. During his stay in Europe, Iqbal became well versed in Western philosophy, literature, and politics, which he later incorporated into his own philosophy. After completing his education, Allama Iqbal started practicing law in Lahore but soon realized that his true passion was writing poetry and philosophy. He wrote poetry in both Urdu and Persian languages and became a prominent figure in the literary circles of Lahore. His poetry was inspired by Islamic mysticism and emphasized the importance of self-realization and spiritual enlightenment. Allama Iqbal's most famous work is his philosophical poem, The Reconstruction of Religious Thought in Islam, which he wrote in 1930. In this work, he argued that Islam was not only a religion but a complete way of life that provided a comprehensive solution to the problems of modern society. He also emphasized the importance of ijtihad, or the reinterpretation of Islamic teachings in light of modern knowledge. Allama Iqbal was a strong advocate for the rights of Muslims in India, who were then under British colonial rule. He believed that Muslims needed a separate state to protect their rights and to promote their economic and political development. He was one of the founding members of the All India Muslim League, which later became the driving force behind the creation of Pakistan in 1947. Allama Iqbal passed away on April 21, 1938, in Lahore, leaving behind a legacy of poetry, philosophy, and political activism. His poetry and philosophy continue to inspire people all over the world, and his ideas remain relevant to contemporary debates on religion, politics, and society. Allama Iqbal's contribution to the creation of Pakistan and his advocacy for the rights of Muslims in India will always be remembered as a significant chapter in South Asian history.